Direct Aid, the Kuwaiti-based humanitarian organization, recently held a presentation ceremony at its head office in Brufut to hand over Hajj tickets to 5 sponsored pilgrims. During the event, Ahmad Sabali, head of religious affairs, and Osman Fadullah, country director, congratulated the beneficiaries. They noted that the pilgrims were called by Allah through Direct Aid annual package. Both officials offered prayers for a successful and safe pilgrimage while expressing deep gratitude to the organization's donors for consistently fulfilling Direct Aid's humanitarian objectives.
Our staff of Direct Aid Gambia office, we are here to share our happiness with a partner of Gambian people. We are taking them to Mecca. We are here also to escort them today. We pray for Allah to be safe and to do all the Hajj program and come in safety, inshallah.
Papa Tunkara, chairman of the Farafenya Area Council, spoke on behalf of the recipients. He praised Direct Aid for providing the opportunity to perform the Hajj, the fifth pillar of Islam, calling it a milestone journey in the life of a Muslim. Tunkara prayed for Allah's continued blessings upon the sponsors and the dedicated staff of Direct Aid for their years of support to humanity and the Gambia in particular.
First of all, I must thank Direct Aid for giving us the opportunity to go to Mecca. These are pillars that we need to perform in Mecca, which we are very much impressed and happy about it, and we definitely appreciate this thing because we are Muslim and it's obligation for a Muslim to go and perform this Hajj. So we are very much happy, and we are also thanking Direct Aid for their tireless support that they have been doing for the entire people of the Gambia.
According to Direct Aid officials, this year's sponsors group includes representatives from government institutions, community members, Islamic scholars across the country. Citing the low income levels many Gambians face, officials expressed hope that the number of sponsored pilgrims would increase in the future. They especially noted a desire to include more women in upcoming years. The 5-member team is sponsored among the most fortunate, as Direct Aid provided a complete sponsored package. In addition to covering the full financial cost of the Hajj, the organizations also handed over cash allowances to each pilgrim during the ceremony to serve as pocket money for their travels. Khadija Tujalo reporting.